Sarge.
Hey guys, Sarge here. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. This is, what are we? Thursday, June 6th, 2024, year of Mordor. I got a little unboxing very quickly that I'm going to do. This is my first purchase from First Majestic. It came very quickly because it was actually shipped from the U.S. So I was surprised to see it get here that quickly. That's always a plus. That shows that the company's on the ball. They're not effing around and they want to get you your stuff ASAP. Alright, in the meantime I can't open the plastic. That helps. Good grief. These sticky plastics are insane. Alright, here we go guys. First time I get one of these. Let's see what it looks like in hand. Holy smokes, I like. This is nice. I love these. This looks like, remember the old iPhones? The old iPods? Like, when you looked at them sideways, that's what they looked like. The first series, that's what it looks like. I love this. Alright, just a quick unboxing to show you. This was on sale, Canadian, $214. So I bought one. Should have bought 10, for God's sakes. They're now $239 Canadian. So, when the iron is hot, you gotta nail it. Alright guys, stay safe. Cheers. Sarge out.